I need a new pen. You see, I just got my engineering license in the mail. This allows me to sign on designs as an engineer. To celebrate this, I thought about getting a pen. Not just any pen, this pen. Meet my new pen, the Lamy Safari All Black. How does the Lamy Safari perform? We'll find out. But first, a bit of history. Made by Lamy, a family-owned business established in Germany in the 1930s, the Safari range was introduced in the 1980s. The pen is actually made out of ABS plastic. For all the nerds, ABS stands for acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, which is a fancy term for a thermoplastic. Sorry environment, I'm not sure how that works for you. And a thermoplastic is basically a plastic that you can heat up and pass through molds, and once it cools down, it can set in various complex shapes. However, to their credit, Lamy makes products that are built to last, and many of their parts are interchangeable and reusable. Look at their box. It's made of cardboard, and this cardboard is produced by a family-owned company based off in Germany called as G-Mund paper. I'm not sure whether you guys can see it, which is pretty good. For those who don't know, their ink cartridges, which are the proprietary ones, they are recyclable, so you can properly dispose them, which is also a good touch. It's not made of single-use plastic or anything, which is a good thing, and it's good for the environment. The metal clip that resembles like a paper clip and the nib itself, both of that is made of stainless steel and is painted all black to suit the overall aesthetics of the pen, which I think is a nice touch. Out of the box, it comes with proprietary blue ink cartridge, so if you have ordered black ink, don't be surprised. It always comes with a blue ink cartridge, which can be easily swapped. I got extra 4 cartridges in black, but if you're using any other ink, let's say green or teal, please flush the barrel. You can find all sorts of tutorials on YouTube, but I'm too lazy for that. If you hate proprietary cartridges and have your own ink preference, you may go with the Lamy Z28 Converter, which is sold separately. This nib comes in 5 different types. You've got extra fine, fine that I've got, you've got medium, you've got broad, and then you've got stub for calligraphy purposes. So you can swap these nibs out pretty easily. You can just use the cap, press down against the nib and pull it apart. And you can see that the nib doesn't have any extra. As you may know, in other fountain pens, some part of the nib goes inside the barrel, which is practically useless, but in this case it's all visible. And the pen also comes in many different colors, like literally many. With that said, how does it perform? Straight off the bat, this pen feels incredibly light to hold, and the ink flows smoothly, and it feels like I could write with this pen forever. There's a bit of bounce to this fine nib, and I think it may be ideal for sketching too. Another clever thing about the Lamy pen is these 2 V-shaped notches that forces the user to hold the pen in this particular grip style, which is the most optimal grip style to hold any fountain pen. Some people have a grip style where their index finger is on top of the pen. If you have that kind of grip style, you might find it a bit uncomfortable, but I absolutely love it. How strong is a Lamy Safari? Well, if you try and bend it, like I'm really using force, you can see that it does not crack. If I were to just like apply pressure, it does not bend. And then if I were to throw it, I can't see any scratches. Let's try scratching this pen over a few surfaces. The idea is to just see how durable it is in everyday use and see how we go. And if I were to throw it again and again, a bit of dint at the bottom over there, I'm not sure if you can see it. A bit of a scratch at the back, but it's made of plastic, so don't expect any less. The stainless steel clip is still scratch free, can't see anything bad. So yeah, I think it's a pass. So is the Lamy Safari overrated? Probably, but do I love it? Hell yes. What did you think about the Lamy Safari? Please head down to the comment section and let me hear your thoughts. In the meantime, please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.